Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone. Make sure the OS is current and the device has enough battery or is plugged in. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Display, then Screen Saver or Ambient Display. This is where the system stores saver options. You're beginning the actual setup now, so don't detour into unrelated menus. Next, tap the screensaver entry to view built-in types, photos, clock, colors, and get ready to choose one that fits your taste and battery goals. You'll now pick the saver type and configure it. Choose photos for personal images, clock for quick info, or colors for low-power simplicity. Once selected, tap Options to pick a photo album, set rotation timing, enable or disable animations, and choose the delay before activation. Make sure to preview the saver so you see how it behaves on your screen. This saves time later. When satisfied, press Save or Apply. If available, set whether the saver runs while charging, on dock, or always. You finish by selecting the activation trigger. Run only when docked, while charging, or after a set idle time. Then confirm Apply and lock the phone to test. You should see the saver appear after the chosen delay. If it doesn't show, toggle the screensaver off and on, restart the device, and verify photo permissions or battery optimization settings aren't blocking it. Finally, make sure any third-party saver app is set as the default, and adjust settings if you need lower power use or smoother animation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.